Hello YouTube. I guess you all seen my carabiner kit that I used to carry. Now I done a different model, the micro kit, and on this kit it's on a nice carabiner set, and on this I have a flashlight. I got some container for money. I got a multi-tool. I got a knife and a pen. This setup is for urban environment, so it's not something I'm gonna carry in the woods. So let's start with the pen. It's a telescopic little pen. You can pull it out or just have it like this. Very handy. The knife, it's a Spyderco bug slip joint knife, sharp, small, compact, and the cops don't get all worried when I got this. We come back to the multi-tool. The container is just from edc-Depot.com, and I don't got any money in it right now. The flashlight is just a simple little flashlight. To have. On this I also gonna get some peanut lighter, so it's not entirely complete. So now to the multi-tool. It's the new Gerber dime. You got a bottle opener, a hefty little multi-tool, spring loaded. I use this a lot since I got it. Always great to have a small multi-tool with you. And on this you have scissor, very nice. You have a file and a small screwdriver. You have your large screwdriver. Then you got the package opener. This I use nearly every day. It's so, let's see if I can zoom it in. It's quite cool. No, my camera doesn't want it. Okay, moving on. And the blade, it's a very nice blade, I think. No sharp point, but who gives a fuck? Sorry my English. So that was my micro kit I'm gonna show you. I think it works very well, and like I said, I'm gonna add a peanut lighter and maybe switch to another knife. I think about Victorinox or something. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll be back as soon as I can. Have a nice day. Bye.